Namaskar. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel and to another best out of waste video. Today I am showing you how to turn simple empty plastic bottles into super useful home organizers. For which you need empty bottles like Bisleri or coconut drink bottles, a blade or scissors, a screwdriver, candle, and some adhesive wall screw stickers. All you need to do is cut the bottle to your desired size using a blade or scissors. Basically, by heating up the tip of the blade over a candle flame to melt a quick, smooth cut or hole near the top rim. You can also use screwdriver to make a hole to the bottles. Then stick an adhesive wall screw sticker on any wall and you have got instant storage. You can use these to keep your desk tidy as a pen stand, organize your makeup brushes, store toothbrushes in the washroom, or even add soil and a plant to turn your balcony wall into a cute hanging garden. It's quick, eco-friendly and completely free home organization. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have liked the video, kindly thumbs up and share it as much as possible. And do try it out for yourselves as well. And post it on social media. And do tag me on my Instagram or Facebook page. I will surely share the post or the story with everyone. Also, do follow me on my Instagram page, like my Facebook page, and do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more notifications. Thank you again and have a good day.